Okay, people, a new day, a new challenge. You see, here I have a really old friend. This is a Ketron Midjay V1. It's a pretty old machine, I have it for 15 years at least. It's a musical arranger. How can I say? It's a kind of rhythm keyboard without the keys. So everything is inside here. In this case, MP3 player, wave recorder, and many other things. It's a wonderful machine, a wonderful machine. What I noticed in the last time, one of the channels are interrupting. That's kind of annoying because if I'm working with mono signals, one of the channels is just disappearing, and even if I put it on mono, then I don't have the right mix between left and right. And that's why I have here a stereo test. You see, that should be left. You know what's funny? Now it's working. Both channels are working equal. So I suspect there is a potentiometer related problem. It's good for now. Okay, but I swear it's coming back on. And even in the middle of the show, the channels are, getting unbalanced, and that sucks. Because I have to have a redundancy here, reliability, and you see, this is the main board. These connectors here have been replaced. One of them got destroyed because of the tip of the jacks got blocked into the connectors. And here I have the main control board, you see, with all the switches. I never ever dismantle this. So I may say this instrument behaves perfect for such a long period of time. It's amazing how good is it. Amazing, strong, and I can tell you, I've been traveling around Europe, Greenland, flying. Okay, I did that for 25 years in a row, so it's amazing. This machine, it's still alive. It can be a cable, it can be a connector, I really don't know. Maybe the potentiometer, who knows? We'll take a look, and probably I'll change the potentiometers. Okay, even the switches, touch switch, they are working great, Okay, so these potentiometers are 10 kilo ohms. All of them are 10 kilo ohms. You know something? This is the line in. I never ever use that. So to be sure about the things, I will change these two potentiometers. The volume, it was always under stress, and I believe it should be a good idea to change this in between. All the others are okay. 10 kilo ohms, all of them. 10 kilo ohms B, that means logarithmic potentiometers. Look at this ensemble here, it's so nice. I can't tell you how delighted I am for the beautiful job this machine is doing. Some liquid flux to properly melt the contacts, the solder pump, the new one. There we go. Soldering iron, working spectacles, like always, to make the things easier. We refresh the soldering. And now the ground. Here we need a lot of power. Luckily TS100, it's a really nice soldering tool. Okay, nice. We should be good to go. Let me insist here a little. Let me use some of this tape. The pins are free, so all I have to do is now to push this away. Not that simple. Why? Okay, I need some flux. some fresh flux. Yes, we did it. And now let's take this guy out. Yeah, finally. Tough, pretty tough. So this is the, let's call it good one. All right, let's make some room. Okay, so yes, this is the, let's call it the old volume one. Let me have some contact spray as long as we are here. Very good potentiometers, by the way. You know, they last so much without any problems until today. Oh yeah, okay. So this will be the new volume potentiometer. Perfect. And that will be the new line potentiometer, which I'm never using. Okay, let's clean it up. Oh yeah, because if you remember, the volume had this mark here. It's a kind of humidity, water damage or something. Okay, come on, get into the place. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's the right positioning. A little bit of flux. Man, this is nuts. Let me raise the temperature a little bit. It's a huge ground connection here, and that's why it needs a lot of heat. But it's done. And this guy here too. Same story. TS100, you know, it's amazing soldering. Okay, let's fix the pins first. And this guy up here. And of course the ground and the mechanical, which is very important. Yes, done. Let's clean the area. And beautiful. Now, as long as I'm here, let's check these cables and have some. And I will just reverse the positioning, so I'm sure that that will be good. New contacts. A little help here. These are the most used switches. And enter. Oh, it's behind there, so the encoder. Okay, like I said, this was never ever open before, so nothing to do but lay it back in position. There is, yes, perfect. Now I have to put back all these guys. N3, I think it's N3. Or no. Now let's connect this, the output, power supply, display, power on. Good. Let's go down to stereo test. Nothing? Of course not, because I'm pretty sure I just connect these outputs in a different way. Okay, now it should work. Perfect. Left and right. So that's the end for today. The new potentiometer is in place, the new old one, in fact, I just switched the line in with the general volume. In fact, I never use the line in potentiometer or input, if you take it that way. If the new one in place of the general volume will work like the one before, this machine will be alive for another 10 years at least. And I can tell you, I'm really using this guy. I'm playing 2, 3, 4 gigs per week. So it's a working horse, I may say. Okay, that's it for today. Like always, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and push the like button. I'm waiting your comments. And of course, the most important thing, have fun. Bye bye.